Hey guys, injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here. Have you been involved in a truck accident? In this video, we're going to talk about truck accidents and what you should know, so stay tuned. Welcome back. Whether you were injured while driving an 18-wheeler or you were hit by a tractor-trailer, there are some things you should know if you've been injured in a truck accident. There are a few wrinkles in truck accident cases that you should be aware of because knowing this stuff will help you to understand what's going on in your case. It can be the difference between a good result and a bad result in your case. So the first thing you need to know is about the black box. There's no question that we live in the age of the computer, and commercial trucks are usually equipped with called black box. And the black box records the speed and other data about the crash in the seconds leading up to the crash. If there's a question about whose fault the crash was or how the crash happened, information in the black box may be necessary. Obviously, it's always important to have witnesses who can say exactly what happened. Having a truck accident lawyer who knows about the black box and knows how to get the data out of the black box can make it more likely that you'll get a good result in your case. Second, drivers are required to keep logbooks. Over-the-road truck drivers are required to keep logbooks which log how much time they spend behind the wheel. That's because federal laws dictate how long truckers are allowed to drive in a 24-hour period, but also weekly and monthly. Driver fatigue is one of the main causes of crashes on expressways and highways. Can you see how a judge or jury would want to know if the driver who struck you was in violation of these laws? If a driver's been driving for more hours than he's allowed to, he probably was driving fatigued, and that's very important for you to know. He probably caused your crash. Even local truck drivers are restricted in the number of hours that they can spend behind the wheel and how much overtime they can work behind the wheel of a truck. That's because even state governments understand how dangerous a fatigued driver is if he's hauling 30,000, 40,000, or 50,000 pounds of freight. Third, trucks handle very differently than cars. When you're hauling a heavy load like truck drivers do every day, most drivers don't have any idea how hauling those extremely heavy loads affect acceleration, braking, and maneuverability. When a truck is fully loaded, making sure that their air brakes are in perfect operating condition and that the tires and other maintenance has been done on the truck is very key. The very heavy weight that drivers haul make maneuvering in their commercial trucks very difficult. They require a lot more stopping room, and they're nowhere near as maneuverable as even the largest passenger vehicles. Sometimes truck accidents are the result of a car, motorcycle, or other passenger vehicle not giving a semi-truck or a commercial truck the respect it deserves on the road. People will cut in front of a truck and hit their brakes, and the big heavy truck can't stop in time. But many times it's the truck driver's fatigue or poor vehicle maintenance that can cause the crash. Either way, you want somebody who has handled truck cases before and knows what to ask and what evidence to look for. Fourth, truck accidents can result in serious injuries. Because of the size and weight of trucks, I've seen lots of photos of truck accidents that show really mangled cars. And this same force that results from heavy weight and high speeds means that a truck crash can cause very serious permanent injuries. A truck accident can easily result in a wrongful death. It can paralyze a person, break bones, and sometimes cause less serious injuries. But again, the speed and size and weight involved in truck accidents usually means we're dealing with more serious injuries. The more serious and permanent the injury, the more important it is that you don't go it alone. Most personal injury lawyers offer free consultations. That means you can get your questions answered for free and with no obligation. If your health and your ability to earn a living is on the line, the best advice I can give you is to talk to an attorney who you feel comfortable with. I offer a free consultation, and you can call me at 888-HURT-318, or if you're not ready to speak with me, I can send you a copy of my injury DVD video. Click the picture of the video on the screen, and you can order your free copy on my website. The video costs you nothing, and I can email it to you or mail it to your home for free. The injury DVD video explains the injury process, as well as answering dozens of questions that injured people often have in these situations. I created the video to help injured people who have questions, who aren't quite ready to speak with a lawyer. Thanks for watching the video, and good luck. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button. Or if you'd like to see more of my videos, click subscribe. Thanks again.
If you've been hurt, insurance treating you mean, call 888-HURT-318.